What up guys, Matt Long6 here, and we're continuing our series for crypto for beginners. In this episode, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to create a Coinbase account. I've already shared with you guys how to create a MetaMask account, and I will show you guys how to make an Uphold account. Today we're going to focus on Coinbase. Now, Coinbase is a popular exchange for people who are beginners in crypto, so that's why we're making this video today. So if you use my link down below, it'll be a referral link, and me and you will both get $10 if you purchase or sell $100 worth of cryptocurrency. If you don't want to use my referral link, that's fine. Just search up Coinbase and you're good to go. So the first thing that you'll get when you are signing up is the basics, just your name, email, password. You need to tell them which state you are from. If you're from a different country, then it'll probably ask you different things. Anyways, what you need to do is do all this. You need to be 18 years old in order to create a Coinbase account. So let's go ahead and create an account. Now, before you create an account, be aware that you may have to go through a KYC, which is a know your customer. And what this is you'll have to submit a photo of your driver's license. This is for tax purposes, and so that way there is only one person per Coinbase account, so you don't have one person using multiple Coinbase accounts. So let's go ahead, and it's asking me to verify my email, so let's go ahead and do that. Since I already have a Coinbase account, I may not be eligible to create another account because I won't pass the KYC, but I'll get as far as I can with creating a brand new account with you guys, and then we'll just browse a little bit about Coinbase. So here I am on my email. Let me go ahead and verify my email. All right, and now you're going to need a valid phone number. So let me go ahead and type mine in. All right, so after you put in your number, by the way, you cannot use an app to give you a free number. At least the one that I tried, Text Now, didn't work. So after you put in your number, they're going to ask for you to submit a verification code. After that, you're going to choose your citizenship. I'm United States, so we'll select that. And from there, you're going to need to verify your identity. So you have to enter some personal information, and then what will you use Coinbase for? Most people are going to select just investing or trading on Coinbase. Doesn't really matter. After that, what's your source of funding? So what you could do is just say your work. That's what most people would do. Or you could do savings. Select your employment status, and you can select student if you would like. After that, you're going to need to type in your last 4 digits of your social security number. Now, if you don't want to do this, it makes sense. Sadly, you won't be able to trade crypto with Coinbase. You can still trade on MetaMask, but you have to pay all the fees and stuff. And you could also trade on KuCoin if you wanted that. Link for that will be in the description as well. I don't have a video up about it. Leave a comment down below if you'd like for me to show you how to do that. Coinbase also leaves this little notice down here. Why do we need your social security number? Well, federal regulations require us to verify your identity. Don't worry, your data is always encrypted and secure. After this, sadly, since I already have a Coinbase account, I can't show you how to do it, but they'll make you take a picture of the front and back of your driver's license or ID card. So it's really cool because you can actually be working on your computer and then use your phone, take a picture of it, and then it'll send it to your computer and stuff. So it's really easy and really cool. They don't make it difficult. And let me show you what happens once they verify your identity. It may take a few days. So once you create an account and you are verified, you'll be brought to your portfolio page. So on this page, you will see your portfolio and things that you can do. First thing I would invite you to do is go to the Learn and Earn section. I have a video about this, check it out. And from here, you can earn free cryptocurrency just by watching little videos and stuff about it and then answering a little quiz. If you get a question wrong, it's okay, they'll let you do it again. So it's really cool, and you get to learn about some cryptocurrencies and also earn a little bit of that cryptocurrency that you just learned. So it's really cool. And then on your portfolio, you can also see that some cryptocurrencies say a percentage with an APY. That is soft staking. So if you put any Algorand in your wallet, or if you buy Algorand, then you can get 4% APY annually. So whatever amount you put in there, you get 4% back, but you're going to get paid back in the cryptocurrency, not in the US dollar. So if I had 100 Algorand coins, that would mean at the end of the year, if I held that 100 the whole time, I would get an extra 4% of 100 is 4, so I get an extra 4 coins of Algorand. So as of recording this video, Algorand, Cosmos, Tether, and DAI all allow soft staking, and I think that's really cool because all you have to do is deposit or swap some coins to get these coins, and then every week or so they'll just deposit more of that coin every single week. It's really cool. So if you don't know what DAI is, that DAI is almost always 1-for-1 equal to the US dollar. The other coins that I mentioned with staking will fluctuate in value. Another thing that you could do is take your Ethereum and convert it to Ethereum 2.0, and then you can earn a little bit of soft staking with that as well. However, if you do this was going to lock up your staking. You could also deposit in the USDC coin and earn a little bit of staking as well, although that's not really worth it. If you are going that route, I would personally suggest to do DAI over USDC coin if you're just wanting to stake and that's all you're thinking about doing with a stable coin. And Coinbase also has their own app if you would rather do it on your phone. So now that you know, my favorite part about Coinbase is the Learn to Earn program. Check out the video if you haven't already. There are some Learn to Earn programs that you have to be invited to, and I invite you in that video. Anyways, let me go ahead and show you. So the first thing you are probably going to do is try to buy and sell. So if you do that, let's say you buy Bitcoin, for example, and you just want to buy it with your bank account, or you can use your debit card or do a wire transfer. So let's say you try to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin, you can, or you can click this button and you can change the denomination into Bitcoin, and you can say how much Bitcoin you want to buy. When you want to do this, you go ahead and click review buy. And then you have the option to make it a weekly buy, so that way it does it every single week. One thing you need to be aware of with Coinbase are their fees. So in this case, it's going to cost about $3 extra to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin. Now remember, if you buy $100 with Bitcoin with the referral link down below, you will get $10 back, and I will also get $10 if you would like to support the channel. And if you wanted to buy $50 of one coin and $50 of another coin, that is fine, as long as it cumulatively equals $100 of buying or $100 of selling. It does not include transferring. So if you wanted to transfer from your MetaMask to your Coinbase, it does not count for that. Now let me share with you how to swap coins real quick. So to swap coins, what you're going to need to do is go to the trade section over here, and you can buy and sell like I just showed you here, although click convert this time. Now we're going to swap from one coin to another. So in this case, I actually want to sell some Mycelo and get some Algorand. So let me go ahead and do that. Let me hit, you know what, we'll just sell it all. And then it will come here, you'll see the exchange rate and Coinbase fee. And you'll see right here that it keeps changing because the prices of cryptocurrencies keep changing. So that's why that keeps changing. So in order to lock in this price up here, instead of it changing back and forth, you're going to have to click convert now. There you go, and it is converted. If you wanted to, you could view the transaction. And that will bring you to the coin that you just transacted into, and you can see everything that has been transacted with this coin in the past in your account. And if we go back to Mycelo, you'll see that it has been converted, and we know it's been converted into Algorand. And they'll also send you a little email about it to let you know that your transaction is complete. You can also see that I got some of these tokens from the Learn to Earn program. I got 2 for $6 in one day for 15 minutes of watching a video and taking a quiz about it. It's really cool. So that is the basics of Coinbase and how to create an account. So in a future video, I will get in more depth. Maybe I'll show you how to send and receive cryptocurrency in case you want to take your coins outside of the Coinbase platform, or maybe you have coins from somewhere else and you want to deposit them into your Coinbase. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you found it helpful. Leave a like for me down below. Leave a comment if I was unclear about something or with future video ideas. Anyways, guys, as always, stay safe, stay active, stay healthy. God bless. Peace. Going to this invite a friend section. Nope, that's not it.